Today I'm going to show you an absolutely free platform that we never talked about before in this channel, where you can make passive income every single day, just like other people from all around the world are doing. They accept many different payment options, including PayPal, Payeer, Payza, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Western Union, Vodafone Cash, and so on and so forth. So before I show you the app where you can get paid again and again through your favorite payment option, there is one more thing that we need to set up. That's why I'm not going to show that platform immediately, because you'll then go straight to the app by yourself and you're going to get lost and you'll not make money. That's why I want you to follow me step by step, so by the end of the video you're going to start making money. So make sure to not skip any part of this video and stay tuned in order to maximize your results. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel with notifications on, so I will notify you whenever I post a new strategy on how to make money online, so you could be one of the first to use it. Now the thing that we need to set up first is this website called plrdatabase.net. So come over here before we get to that app that will actually going to pay you. Now, PLR stands for private label rights, which means that this website is a database for all of those private label rights content like training, courses, ebooks and other digital products. Here you can see some of them, and if you click here on Marketplace, you're going to be able to see all of these different categories, from affiliate marketing, animals, collection, computers, mobile marketing, internet, travel, website, psychology, relationships, and so on and so forth. But how will that actually make you money with the next app that I'm going to show you? Well, you'll see exactly how. And don't worry, this doesn't require any selling, affiliate, or CPA marketing, or to create any content yourself. It's easier than you think. And it's obviously not going to make you rich, but it is still a really good passive income source because it requires no hard work from your side. After coming here on plrdatabase.net, I need you to click here on free products, because we don't want to spend any money from this. And here you can select any category that you want. And you take an example, I'm going for food and cooking, and it is going to give me like more than 400 of results, more than 400 PLR products, which I'm going to use for absolutely free. And for example, I want to grab this one, Staying Fit with Organic Food. This is an ebook. After that, I'm going to click here on download full version, and it's going to give me this table which says that I need to sign up in order to download this for free. So I'm going to click here on sign up for free, and it's going to redirect me here so I can get started for absolutely free, and it includes unlimited free downloads, full licenses so I can use them however I want, class and lessons, and forum and profile. So in order to create an account, I'm going to click here on get started. And all you need to do to get started here for free is to put a username, your valid email address, first name, last name, a password, type the password again, then agree to their terms and conditions and also to their privacy policy. And if you click here on them, you're going to read them if you want to. Then click here I'm not a robot and create an account for absolutely free. And after creating that account, you'll be able to download the free ebook on your computer, which was with a full license, so you can use that however you want. After downloading it, you can go to that platform that we actually pay you just for uploading these files from plrdatabase.net, and you can already realize how simple and easy it was to just sign up to this website in less than 30 seconds, find some free digital product, you download it on your computer, and now you just need to upload it to that app so you can make money again and again every single day. And that app that we'll be using is called App Forever. Right now I'm using the desktop version, but you can also download the app in your smartphone on Google Play Store. As you can see, this is a file sharing free cloud storage. You can upload your files safely, you can withdraw profits from the various payment methods, which I'm going to show you again, and then you can convert the profits into products if you want to. This is a place where you can upload your files for absolutely free, and you'll get paid for downloading your files. Maybe you're wondering, why do they pay you for uploading files from other websites? It is because whenever someone downloads your file, Affordable will send them some ads to watch. Basically, they are splitting the ad revenue with you. So you can download files from plrdatabase.net, come here to App Forever, upload file again and again for unlimited times and get paid each time someone downloads your file. Here you can upload files and images, which as well as being free, it pays you, so you can make money from home. And when you arrive for the amount of $1, you can withdraw your money on most of the available banks. And I also want to show you the payment proof, and if you go right here, you're going to see that people on this website are getting paid again and again every single minute. As you can see, the same name is getting paid again and again, here, and then once again. And you can see the date right here, which is today's date. And another thing that I wanted to show you is that they have different payment methods, as I told you before. You can get paid with PayPal, Payeer, Payza, Payoneer, Western Union, Orange Money, and so on and so forth. So just select the payment method that you want to get paid. And in order to get started, you have to click here on sign up so you can create an account for absolutely free. All you need to do is to put a username, a password, retype the password, put an email address. The payment info is optional because you can change that later. Confirm that you're not a robot and then sign up. And then this is how your account is going to look like. Here you can track your balance. It says $0 right now because I just created this account for the purpose of this video. And in order to start making money, you need to start uploading files by clicking here. After that, you're going to select the file that you downloaded from plrdatabase.net, which you downloaded for free. Click here on choose file. And now you can get the download link, you can copy it and you can start sharing it with people, with targeted people who will want to read something about food and cooking and will download your file so you can maximize your results and getting money again and again. And in order to get those targeted people, you can go over to findtheforum.net and here on categories you can choose, for example, dieting and weight loss or cooking, and you can be a member of a lot of forums here on findtheforum.net. Find people, take part in discussions, share your link with you so they can download your file and you can get paid again and again because that file will be on your profile on App Forever, and people can find your link on these forums because they are not going to get deleted. And now you can see how much potential this has because plrdatabase.net will allow to download you free thousands of PLR products from different categories, and you can upload them on App Forever and start making money from those downloads. If you liked today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below and also to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.